This is a 2009 Ford Crown Victoria police car. Actually saw service, we believe, in Palm Beach County. And cars like this are still in service here in Florida. Notice the huge bumper there in the front. Certainly of use when cars have to be pushed out of the way and for some protection in case of collision. Very nice condition, and it really is a true police car. I know you can't see much because of the tinted windows, but the back seat is very minimal, easily cleaned, as you can imagine it might need to be in some situations. The front is very much Crown Victoria, and the owner arrived on the scene and opened the door for me to check out the interior. Very nice of him. He was from Scotland, and we were talking about police cars in Scotland and so forth. Very informative. Very nice guy. And let me know of some of the goings on the roads in Scotland and in the UK generally. There it is. And he knew the number of engine running hours for this car. And that's very important for police cars because many times they're not actually driven so much as sitting idling and waiting for events to occur and so on. So idling is very important, and certainly it probably wears the engine more than cruising at speed down the highway. Back into the car. Very nice indeed, and very educational talking to somebody from Scotland.